My name's Aaron Croman. I'm an independent artist, and I'm going to show you how to make a straight line look curved. So first, let me show you a little basic setup for making a curved line. Well, with straight lines, of course. First, I make a straight line. We want it to be vertical. And then I have them meet and make one on the x-axis, so horizontal. And then we get out the ruler. And then you kind of just measure out, like I'm just going to measure out every 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to do the same. Then I'm going to do the same with over here on the horizontal. We want them to be. We want to try and make it as even as possible. So why I'm using a ruler. So now we're going to use the straight lines to make a curve. First of all, you're going to number the vertical line. Start from the top, 1 to however many numbers. Then on the horizontal line, start at the left, and then go to right from 1 to however many numbers. Try and make it the same amount so that so you can match them up, because that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I already have one prepared with all the numbers, and they're all equally spaced. And we're going to join these. So from the 1, we're going to connect to 1. And 2 is going to connect to 2. And so on until we just get them all connected. So as you can see, we're about halfway done, and we're starting to see a little something happen. And there's a final line. And as you can see, there's a real nice curve to it, all done with straight lines. And well, you can even use it to make a lot of different interesting designs with various angles and other stuff. My name's Aaron Croman, and good luck with your art.